Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Push Snow Shovel is probably one of the most effective and efficient ways to clear snow from your driveway or walkway this winter, saving you time and energy compared to traditional methods. This video will review the top features, functionalities, and considerations to help you make an informed decision when choosing the right push snow shovel with wheels for your needs, ensuring you're prepared for whatever winter throws your way. Number 5. Snow Joe 13 inches Cordless Snow Shovel. It's more than just a shovel, it comes with everything you need for snow removal, including a protective cover, scraper, battery, and charger. Get started quickly and easily. With its 400W motor, it effortlessly moves up to 1,620 pounds of snow per charge. That's fast and efficient snow clearing. Say goodbye to tangled cords. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to clear snow from any area with ease and maneuverability. It cuts a 13-inch wide by 6-inch deep path, making quick work of even the heaviest snowfalls. You'll clear snow faster than ever before. The 24V IMAX battery provides up to 22 minutes of quiet runtime, enough to handle most snowfalls. Enjoy uninterrupted snow clearing. What we like. It's cordless, offering ultimate maneuverability for clearing snow from various areas. Its powerful motor ensures efficient snow removal. If you value convenience and cordless operation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This makes snow removal a snap. Normally takes about an hour to do the sidewalks and drive, but with this machine I did it in 25 to 30 minutes. Putting it together was super easy. I let the battery charge overnight before using it. I not only do my deck but my entire driveway, and a maze of paths in my front yard for my short-legged dogs. Definite lifesaver for me. It is solid and does a great job. We are getting lots of snow right now, and so it is earning its keep. It easily does 2 to 3 inches of snow. Number 4. Snowcaster 36-inch Snow Shovel. Say goodbye to backbreaking snow shoveling. This innovative shovel makes snow removal faster and easier than ever before. Its unique design and durable construction will handle even the toughest winter conditions. It's 50% more efficient than traditional shovels. You'll save time and energy with its wheeled design and effortless operation. Get the job done quicker and with less strain. The cleverly designed bidirectional blade allows for efficient wind-rowing of snow. This means you can move more snow in less time, with less effort. It's perfect for any snow removal task. Built to last, it's made from high-quality polypropylene for superior wear. It's tough enough to handle ice and snow, making it ideal for both residential and commercial use. Years of reliable performance are guaranteed. It's incredibly easy to assemble, you can put it together in under 10 minutes. The wheeled design eliminates the need for lifting, making it comfortable and efficient to use. Enjoy effortless snow removal this winter. This shovel is proudly made in the USA with earth-friendly materials and processes. It comes with a hassle-free 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Experience the quality and reliability of American-made craftsmanship. What we like. Its wheels significantly increase speed and efficiency, making snow removal effortless. The heavy-duty build ensures it can handle tough jobs and lasts for years. If you need a durable and efficient solution for large areas, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is very durable and for speedy snow plowing of sidewalks. Long handle makes for comfort and easy directional flip. It's easy to clean and snow does not often get stuck to it. The blade is made of a thick, seemingly durable polymer, and I hear they're replaceable. The parts are pretty thick and sturdy. The handle is also pretty substantial. Assembly is no problem, and it's not hard to identify what hardware goes where. The instructions are more than adequate. It saves me so much time, and more importantly, it saves my back and shoulders from unnecessary strain. When snow is light and fluffy, it gets pushed to the edge of the sidewalk, or you can pile it up and use a shovel to move the pile. The biggest thing to keep in mind with this snow pusher is that it's designed for flat surfaces. It will flex and keep going across the surface, unlike a metal-edged blade that will slam into the crack and stop, shoving the handle back towards your body. Number 3. BIRDROCK Home Folding Shovel. It is a compact shovel, essential for car travel, snow camping, or backcountry trips. Lightweight yet sturdy, it provides reliable snow removal, ensuring ease and safety during winter emergencies or adventures. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it's both lightweight and tough. It handles snow, mud, sand, or dirt, remaining easy to carry, a must-have for camping and outdoor exploration. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport. It fits in cars, ATVs, or backpacks, perfect for travelers. Always ready for use without taking up much space. It handles snow, sand, mud, or dirt effortlessly. Great for four-wheeling, camping, and hiking, it's your go-to tool for any adventure, adapting to various outdoor challenges. Extended, 9W×34.25L×2.4H, compact, 9W×22L×2H, weighing just 2 pounds, it's easy to store and carry. Perfect for any vehicle or gear bag, ensuring you are always prepared. What we like. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. It's lightweight yet durable, perfect for various terrains and situations. If you need a compact and versatile shovel for emergencies or adventures, this is ideal for you. What people say. Small, sturdy, folds so you can tuck it under your seat just about anywhere. Great quality. It's well engineered of lightweight aluminum where it counts, beefy in both plastic and metal components including beefy lever and spring action so it just works. It will shovel path around car doors and rear or front tires to get snow moved and has oval metal shaft and spade to keep its edge and hold shape without hurting back with too heavy loads. Tough enough to chop some ice with the edge as well. Easy and reliable, collapsible and unfolding, will deploy in the cold. Excellent lightweight given it is strong aluminum and very positive grip. Just came in from using the snow plow and it performed as advertised. The best part is you fold it up to almost nothing and put in the trunk or back seat and you're set for the next time you need it. Number 2. CASL 26 Snow Pusher. Clear your driveway with ease this winter. Its adjustable handle and durable design make snow removal effortless. It features a telescoping handle, easily adjustable to your perfect height. This ensures comfortable and efficient snow removal. This snow pusher is built with high-quality materials, including an aluminum handle and a metal scraping blade. It's designed to withstand even the toughest winter conditions. The pivoting wheels glide effortlessly over various surfaces, making snow removal a breeze. Say goodbye to bending and straining. The adjustable handle allows for an ergonomic pushing angle, reducing strain and preventing back pain. You'll be able to push more snow with less effort. We stand behind the quality of our product. Purchase with confidence, knowing it's backed by our 1-year manufacturer's warranty. What we like. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable use for various heights, reducing strain. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, this is the best option for you. What people say. We just cleared our driveway 2 to 3 inch of snow. In so rings. My husband used a regular shovel and a vinyl sheet, and I used this snow pusher shovel without back pain. Easy peasy. We have a Luong, inclined driveway, and this CASL 26-inch heavy-duty snow shovel performed perfectly. It gets a bit stuck on the cement cracks like any snow shovel, but it is much easier to use. I can push it with one hand. Assembly not bad if you have put together anything prior. First, assembling it was fairly straightforward and not difficult. Not a 5-minute job, but probably less than 40 for me. The first snowfall was the wet kind, not deep, but super heavy. I'd have to say it made the job easier, no lifting, but not the shovel's greatest strengths. Next snowstorm was its shining glory. Soft snow, about 3 to 4 deep. Super easy. Number 1. ALM Earthwise SN003 Snow Shovel. Clear your walkways effortlessly with this innovative snow shovel. Its wide blade and dual-sided design make snow removal a breeze. With its extra-wide 38-inch blade, it covers more ground with each push, saving you time and effort. This clever design lets you continuously plow snow in the same direction, eliminating the need for wide turns. The lightweight yet sturdy steel shaft is powder-coated for durability and features a comfortable grip, reducing strain during use. Maneuver easily and comfortably thanks to the large, durable wheels. It glides effortlessly over surfaces, making snow removal less strenuous. It's ideal for clearing snow from sidewalks, driveways, patios, and decks. It tackles any snow removal task with ease. What we like. The dual-sided blade allows for continuous plowing without turning around. Its wide clearing path makes quick work of snow removal. If you value speed and efficiency in clearing large areas, this is the shovel for you. What people say. Moves a lot of snow easily. Very sturdy. Easy to push the snow and angled blade is great. It is large and strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.